There are many different types of energy, such as thermal energy, nuclear energy, and chemical energy. The most important types of energy are gravitational energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy, with each energy having a substantial difference. Energy can be defined as the ability to do work. Kinetic energy, the energy an object has due to its motion, can have the example of a falling hammer or flowing water. An object's kinetic energy depends on the object's mass and speed. Potential energy, the energy stored in an object due to its position, can have the example of water before a dam or hammer above a nail. Mechanical energy is the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy on an object. Work can be defined as the product of the net force acting on a body and the distance moved in the direction of the force. There can be positive work when the direction of the force and the direction of the motion are the same. Negative work when the direction of the force and the direction of the motion are opposite. And no work when the direction of the force and the direction of the motion are perpendicular. Work is a scalar quantity and is measured in joules. Power is a quantity that measures the rate at which work is done. Power is a scalar quantity and has the units of watts, or W, and is equal to 1 joule. Furthermore, power equals work over time. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. A light bulb is a perfect example of this, as when it takes energy, it gives off light and thermal energy, leaving the energy intake and outtake in an equilibrium. A wind turbine is the ideal example of kinetic energy. The wind makes the rotors spin on the wind turbine, and as the rotors spin, the movement of the blades drives the generator, creating energy. The motion of the blades turning is kinetic energy, and this is a great amount of kinetic energy, as the wind turbine possesses both a great amount of mass and speed. Artuk possesses potential energy, as potential energy is energy in storage, and he has not yet started moving. I have gravitational potential energy, as gravitational potential energy is dependent on height, and I am elevated off the ground.